How to get 20% off Expedia coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Expedia coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Expedia. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 30% off, $50 off, 20% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on Redeem at Expedia. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the official website of it, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flight, and check out. In the checkout page, you will find the section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your flight. With that, you're gonna get the discount in your flight. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Expedia. So this way, you can easily get up to 20% off working coupon code for Expedia. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.